Hello, this is Aditya, UR16CS008, and this is my 8th experiment in Data Structure Lab. What I've done in my 8th experiment is selection and insertion sorting. Sorting is a term which is used to arrange, means when a set of elements are given and arranging those set of elements in a meaningful or ordered way is termed to be sorting. So what I've done is two type of sorting I've done. One is selection sorting and another is insertion sorting. In selection sorting, the zeroth element is considered zeroth is the very first element in the array. So it is considered to be the minimum, and it is being compared with another all the elements present in the set, and it will be it is swapped with each other as found to be smallest or the largest. So I will help you tell you with the help of an example. Selection sorting. Okay, let's consider our array is of 5 elements 27, 16, 44, 10 and 7. Now 27 is our zeroth element. So now 27 will compare itself with 16. So it is found that 27 is greater than 16, 16 is smaller, then 16 will come to the zeroth position. Now in the second, 16, 27, 44, and every element will take a right shift. Okay, it is now again 16 come to the zeroth position. Now 16 will check itself with 27 already checked. Now it will check itself with 44. Found that 44 is greater than 16, then nothing will happen. Okay. Then at the third part, 16 will compare itself with 10. It is found that 10 is smaller than 16. Now 10 will swap itself with 16, and 10 will come to the zeroth position, and every 16 is swapped to there, and every element will take a right shift. Now in the second iteration, 7, it is found that again 10 will compare with 7. 7 is the smallest, 7 will come. Now it is found that 7 is the smallest element in that array. Now it has been fixed, 7 is fixed. Now it will start checking with 27. It will check with 27, with 44. It is found that 44 is greater, nothing will happen. 27 will check with 16. 16 is smaller, 16 will be swapped here. Now 16 will compare with 10. 10 is smaller, 10 will become over here. Now in this way, each element will be fixed after one iteration, and it will be checked vice versa with every element. This was selection sorting. Okay, as I have told you, one element is considered to be the minimum. So here minimum I is taken to be minimum, then it is compared in the loop when minimum is j, then it will swap it where it is greater. It is means the minimum is greater than the element in the array. It is been swapped. This is what which has been done in the program. Now moving on to insertion sorting. Now insertion sorting is something like this. Okay, in insertion sorting, each element is compared one by one comparison is done, and then the elements are fixed. Consider our array to be 25, 17, 31, 13 and 2. Okay, now 25 will check itself with 17. It is found that 17 is smaller than 25. 17 come to the zeroth position. Okay, then 20, and every element will take a right shift. Now every element will take a right shift. Now 25 is checked with 13. 13 is greater, so nothing will happen. Okay, now every element will take a right shift. Now 13 will be considered with 17. It is found that 13 is smaller than 17, then 13 will come over here, and every element will take a right shift. Now 2 will be considered with 13. It is found that 2 is smaller than 13, then 2 will come over here, and every element will take a right shift. This was insertion sorting. Now I will tell you with the help of execution of my program. First, this was selection sorting. So okay, now my compiler will ask me enter the size of the array. Enter the size of the array. Size of the array is 4. Enter the elements in the array. I will say 78, 95, 62, 41. Now it will give a sorted form. 41, 62, 70 is 41, 62, 78 and 95. It is a sorted form of that elements. Now in insertion, the product is same, but the method or the terminology inside that functioning is different. 4, again I will just 65, 45, 89, 78. Will give the form of ascending order 45, 65, 78 and the sorted form of array. So thank you. This was my 8th experiment in Data Structure Lab in the topic insertion and selection sorting.